Meron ditong part sa book when he mentioned the three temptations of Jesus Christ. Do you remember that story? First temptation ni Jesus, he was tempted to turn the stone into bread. Ang sabi ni author, it was about performance. Now, when we look at ourselves, do we define ourselves based on our own performance? Ito nga, medyo binabawasan ko na yung isa sa mga questions ko when it comes to engaging other people when I want to talk to them. Kasi na-experience ko din na medyo sala din nga na bawa when I talk to someone, ang good-natured naman yung tanong, tatanong ko, anong name mo? Tapos nasunod yung question, saan ka nag-work? O anong work mo? And I encountered a dad. Siyempre, someone who has that responsibility to provide for the family. And his answer was, I don't have any job. So parang naputol na agad, nag-melt yung heart ko, and I felt that it was a wrong question. And tayo rin, unconsciously, we define ourselves by our jobs or promotions, our career, maybe yung mga successes natin in our family, in our work, in our school, relationships na meron tayo, yung mga lahat na external na to. We think of those things that maybe that those things define who we are.